Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. Part 3. Are IT-related jobs valued more by society? To some extent, I think they are. Chips, artificial intelligence and communication are all categories of the IT industry, and they are the hottest jobs today. IT-related jobs are full of infinite prospects. In the digital era, the IT industry is closely related to people's work and life. It is almost possible that every career field involves the IT industry, which makes IT-related jobs more and more important. Is the quality of products worse than before? I suppose that many products have poorer quality compared to those in the past. Nowadays, some companies care more about money than quality. If stuff lasted for many years like it used to, these companies wouldn't be able to get profits. Of course, some famous brands won't produce low-quality products as they don't want to destroy their fame and reputation. So it depends on different products. Not all of them have worse quality than before. What kinds of things do people like to repair by themselves? Some people are good at repairing things. They like fixing electronic equipment in their home, such as washing machines, fans, TV, and so on. While people who are not good at repairing might like to repair some small items by themselves, like children's toys or alarm clocks. Fixing them can bring a lot of fun and a sense of achievement. What's more, there are fewer repair services for small and cheap items nowadays, so people prefer to do it by themselves. Why do people like to get their mobile phones repaired in specialized stores? In my opinion, there are two main reasons. The first reason is that specialized stores can guarantee high-quality services as they have professional staff. Also, specialized stores know how to get the right accessories and make the phones work properly again. Another reason is that mobile phones are important for people. The prices are relatively high and people probably save a lot of information on the phones, so they won't take the risk to go to a cheap store where there aren't qualified repairmen.